In this histogram we'll do the same kind of charts, histograms for the other two populations. So as before, we're going to need to know the maximum and minimum so we can reuse this. Population 2. So population 2 we're dealing between 59 and 107, and it'll work quite well if we go up in fives, but starting from 55. So we're just adding 5 on each time. Oh, that's too much. Okay, perhaps we'll do something different. Let's go up in threes instead. There's not enough boxes really to get a clear pattern. So add 3 on each time. 9, one more. Have to keep pressing calculate sheet. So that's ready now. We can bring up the data analysis command, histogram. This is still set for the right range. The bin range, I'm not sure if it's set for the right range or not, but it seems to be. Okay. Output range is K5. There, that's still fine. Chart output, okay. Right. And again, I'm just going to click this and format data series. No gap. Don't need that thing. So if you look at this pattern here, again, it's a nice smooth bell curve type thing, very similar to one we just had. And in fact, they both follow the pattern that we say is a symmetrical normal distribution. That's normal distribution, and that looks like a normal distribution. So let's have a look at population 3 and see what that looks like. As before, I'm going to copy these things, put them in here, recalculate it. So here, minimum is 13, maximum is 613. So if I go up in 50s, that'll do. That'll give me about 12. Oh, it's not remember, is it 12? I'll go up in 30s from here. Oops. More than that. Oh, too much. It's got 618. So that's the biggest one we need. We have plenty. Bring back data analysis, histogram. That's correct. Bin range, just check. Yeah. Output still fine. K5 chart output okay. So I should draw this up. Ugh. Unpleasant looking thing. Do the same trick with this. Okay, and now we can see we have a different kind of creature. This is not the same kind of pattern as this one and this one. These are normal. This one's not normal. This is a positively skewed distribution. Positively skewed. There's a long tail to the right. So most places with very low pollution, and just a few with very high pollution. There's not evenly spread on each side like these other two. And that difference in the pattern is why the rules that we've had work for population A and population B. That any number of standard deviations, the same proportion will be less than that level for A and for B, whatever number of standard deviations we choose. It won't work for C because C is not a normal distribution, it's skewed. So the rules we're developing here are only valid for normal distributions.